Here's how to create this simple but dynamic rotating staff profile in Canva. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more Canva video and animation tutorials. Let's begin by creating a new design and selecting the video landscape size. On the timeline, add a solid background. Set the background color to black and move the play head to the start. Press C to add a cycle. Resize it and align it to the center of the canvas. Set the fill to none. Enable stroke and set the stroke weight to 4 or 5. Change the stroke color to white. Add another cycle. Reduce its size and place it on the top of the main cycle. Go to Elements, Frames and add the cycle frame. Resize it to match the smaller cycle and place it directly over it. Select the shape and give it a color. Then select the shape and frame and group them. Create 5 duplicates of these grouped elements and arrange them neatly around the cycle like this. Now add photos to each frame. Drop the first photo into one of the frames. Double-click to resize and make it fit. Drop another photo into the second frame and rotate it slightly so it aligns with the angle of the frame. Repeat this for all the remaining frames. You can remove the background of each photo and change the color of the cycle beneath each frame. Give each cycle a different color. Now select all the frames and cycles and group them. You can do this easily by going to Position, Layers, then select all the layers and click Group. Select both the group frames and the bottom cycle, increase their size and move them down. Next, add text. Go to the Text tab or press T to add a text box. Double-click and type the name. Change the font and increase the size. Duplicate the text, drag it down and add the job title. Duplicate one more time, drag it down and add the job description. Then resize as needed. Click Pages at the bottom, then duplicate the page. Go to the second page, select the grouped frame, then rotate it to the next photo frame. Then update the text details to match. Duplicate the page again and repeat the process for the remaining frames. Duplicate, go to the page, rotate the frame and update the text, and continue until you have all the 6 pages. Finally, add transition. Click Add Transition between page 1 and page 2 on the timeline and choose Match and Move Transition. Set the duration to 1 second and apply it between all pages. Preview your video to check the timing and motion. When you're satisfied, download it as an MP4 at the highest quality. And this is the final result. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more Canva video tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.